For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of the gifts that I got for my birthday. So I am a Libra baby. I just had my birthday in October, and I wanted to share with you guys some of the gifts that I got from my parents, my husband, and of course, some things that I got for myself. So if you guys are interested in seeing that and a little unboxing of a handbag, please stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna apologize for the background. Like I told you guys in my previous video, I am working on setting everything up. This room is very much a work in progress. I'm trying to finish up this IKEA set, and then I do want to get some other pieces and stuff. So I'll be sharing with you guys more on how I make this space like my own in the next coming weeks and months. But for today's video, hopefully it's not too distracting with the background, and hopefully it's like somewhat cute to look at the bags back there and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna start with like the smallest, and then we're gonna work our way to the biggest one. So I will share with you guys the handbag at the end. This I got from my parents. We're gonna start with the smaller stuff and then work our way up. These gifts are from my friends. We went on a little girls' dinner and my girlfriends got me some gifts. So this first one is this necklace from Kendra Scott. I will do a close-up of it because I don't think you'll be able to see, but it has a little gemstone at the bottom, and I think that this is the October gemstone because obviously my birthday is in October. But I love Kendra Scott. Their jewelry is so good. Tons of my favorite pieces are Kendra Scott, so I really love that. That is so cute. Another girlfriend got me 2 sets of earrings from Swarovski. Swarovski has some of the best gifts that you can get for like bridesmaids, gifts for friends and stuff like that. She got me 2 sets of studs, and again, I will do a close-up so you guys can see. This first pair is this lightish blue stud, and the reason she went with this one is because this is December's stone, and December is when my baby was born. So she got me her birthstone, and then she got me the same earrings in this beautiful like opal-y kind of pink, and the reason she got these was because October is my birthstone. She knows that I wear studs a lot. I love my studs. I wear them to the office all the time when I just want something easy. I'm always wearing studs. I really love that she got something not just that is meaningful to me, but something that I'm gonna wear all the time, because literally I wear studs all the time, and my baby can wear them too when she gets a little bit older and she gets her ears pierced. So I love these. Very cute and so thoughtful. These next 2 gifts are from my parents. I always send my family a wish list with a range of prices because I'm never gonna be that person where it's like you have to spend a minimum of 50 or 100 or whatever dollars. So I always send a range for them to pick from of things that are like on my rotating wish list. So this one was on there. This is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Aptly in Love eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. Beautiful packaging like they always do, and what really drew me in were the colors. They're beautiful kind of cherry plummy tone colors. I saw my girlfriend Erica do an eyeshadow tutorial with this, and I loved the way it turned out. I would wear every single one of these colors, so when I saw this palette, I knew that I wanted to get it. I actually was planning on going to Ulta today using one of my gift cards to get this eyeshadow palette, but I didn't have to because my parents got this for me. And they also got me this Drunk Elephant kit. This is the resort to this kit. It comes with the polypeptide cream, the C Firma Fresh Day Serum, the D Bronzing Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and then the C Tango Multi-Vitamin Eye Cream. So like that everything besides the cream comes in like smaller size, so I can travel with it as well. Moisturizer obviously that you use on a daily basis is bigger, so I really do love this. One of my favorite things about being born in the fall is that now we're starting to get all the kits that come out for the holidays. I think that's such a huge like value for money, so very excited to start using this. Continuing with beauty products, I am so excited for this next gift. So this one was from my brother. He always sends me money for my birthday, which I am totally okay with because then I can go and buy myself something that I really wanted. And I saw that this came on the Dior website last year. These sold out like hotcakes, so I knew I had to get it this year. So it comes with a little sample, and one thing I love about Dior Beauty is that they really put like all the packaging and effort into it, even if you just buy some beauty products. So if you're getting something that's Dior, any perfume, a lipstick or anything, I highly recommend that you order it from the Dior website. So they sent me a little sample of the, I think this is, yeah, so this is a perfume. Sent a little sample in this little bag. So I picked up 2 of the Dior Rouge Forever liquid lipsticks, but these are the sequence version. If you remember last last year they did come out with some sequin version of their liquid lipsticks, the Rouge Forever. When you apply it onto your lips and then you just like rub your lips together, you're gonna get this sequins glittery effect on them. I wanted them so bad last year. Like I said, they sold out everywhere. I literally went to so many department stores, Dior website. I was stalking their website and nothing was in stock for those. So when I saw that they came back on the website, I'm like, I have to get them now because if I wait for the holidays, they might be gone forever again. So I picked up 2 different shades. I love that these, because they're for the holiday collection, they do come with the gold cap. And then that way I can tell which ones are the sequins ones if I forget, as compared to the regular Rouge. This more brownie one is 843. This is the shade Divine. You can't see any sequins because these don't show up the sequins until you rub your lips together. The one I really wanted last year, which I think is so perfect for the holidays, especially with the sequins, is shade 999, which is a beautiful blue-based red. And it's gonna be perfect for the holidays. Both of these I think I would get a lot of use of right now in the fall and in the holidays because they're a darker lip and because it is that beautiful red. I am so excited to play with these and finally have these in my collection because like I said, I have been wanting them since last year. Now we're moving on to the unboxing. This next gift is from my husband. So he bought this for me and then he put a little bit of money towards the next item that I will share with you guys. Obviously it is from Louis Vuitton. It is a small leather good and I have been wanting this since I think, was it the beginning of this year that it came out or late last year? I saw it and I really liked the item, but I just hadn't purchased it because I had bought other things as well. I'm so excited to finally have it and I'll tell you more about it in just a second. So we open it up. It came with the full set, obviously the ribbon, the box, and then the little dust bag. And when we open it up, I am so excited to finally have the Rami card holder in my collection. So like I said, I had been wanting this since I think the beginning of this year or late last year. I can't remember when this one came out, but this specific color, it must be a seasonal item, or maybe it's not seasonal, it's just so popular that it's always sold out. But I had been wanting it for quite some time. I just hadn't pulled the trigger on it and I thought it was a permanent item. Maybe it still is, but anyway, I thought it was a permanent item and like frequently available. Over the summer I wanted to purchase it, sold out everywhere. I couldn't find it. I couldn't like pre-order it. So when it was coming time for my birthday, I started looking to see where I could buy it, and I actually ended up buying this from eBay. They have this part of their website where it's like authenticity guaranteed. It's from a Japanese reseller. They have very strict counterfeit and authentication rules there. So excited. Even though this is from a reseller, this is brand new. Like you saw, it came with the full set. It has not been used at all. So this is the Rami card holder in the shade Matcha. It is this beautiful matcha green shade. So you have the pop of color there, and then you have the pop of color right in here as well where it expands a little bit more. Tab at the top, you can see that it has this really beautiful little pull tab that just has the LV. The reason I really liked it is because it is a card holder here, and then you open it up, beautiful matcha color on the inside, and then you can just stick bills in here, or you can stick coins, or if you have more cards that just don't fit out here because you do have 4 card slots, you can just stick them in here. I thought it was a very nice compact wallet without being an actual compact wallet like the, what is it called, the Victorine that like folds up. I like that this is just a card holder essentially, but you can use it as just a card holder. You can carry coins in here, or you can carry cash as well. Like I said, I don't know if this color is permanent and it's just always sold out, or if it was like a seasonal color, but I did have to buy this pre-loved, but I'm so happy with it and I'm so excited to use this. And finally, for the main event, we have a new purse. It was a very Louis Vuitton birthday this year. So this one, like I said, I purchased for myself because I wouldn't make somebody else purchase it for me, but my husband did put a little bit of money towards it because he knew that I really wanted it for my birthday. We'll open it first for you guys and then I will tell you all about it. Just gonna open it up because it does not come with the dust bag. Oh my goodness. I got the Louis Vuitton Coussin PM in this beautiful caramel color. I think that's what it's called, caramel. is what it is. So it is this puffy bag. This is actually the first leather bag from Louis Vuitton. Most of my bags are canvas, but this is the first like actual leather bag that I buy from them, and I'm so obsessed with it. So it is this bag. It does come with the tassels here. I'll show you the inside. The inside is this beautiful dark navy color, and it did come with the little card. It did also come with the 2 straps. So here we have the car strap situation, the thicker one, so you can use it crossbody, and then we have the gorgeous gold chain that you can use as a shoulder bag as well. So this bag is actually pre-loved, and you can tell because it does have the creasing here. It does also have a little bit of wear in the corners right here, and you can tell like the creasing of this bag. You can also tell on the chain, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but you can also tell on the chain that there is some scratches going on there. And same thing right here, you can tell that there is some scratching going on in the inside of the bag. Well, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but there's like one scratch in there as well. Obviously this bag is pre-loved. When I started looking for purses for my birthday, because I knew I wanted to get a new bag, I actually had on my wish list the Orsado or the Louis Vuitton Nagram white and black PM on the go. This one, I knew at one point I wanted to add a Cousin. I just wasn't sure if I wanted the PM, if I wanted the MM, or if I wanted the Cousin BB. I wasn't sure what size I wanted to get, and I also thought I was gonna get the black version, but I have so many black bags in my collection that I'm like, no, I have to get a different color. And so when I was looking at colors, the only one that really stood out to me was this camel color. It's just really beautiful for fall, neutral, goes with everything. I have a lot of camel bags in my collection to begin with, so I really like this size. But what held me back was the price. This is a ridiculously expensive bag. I think it's $4,800 if I'm not mistaken. So with taxes, it'd probably be closer to $5,000. That is an insane, stupid amount for a handbag, in my opinion. I could not justify it, but one day I was looking online and I came across a reseller that had this bag listed for $2,800. So it immediately caught my attention. And don't get me wrong, that's still a lot of money, but you're saving yourself on $2,000 plus tax by buying it pre-loved. But of course I had to make sure that it was, you know, in good condition, that I really liked it and stuff. The more I looked at it, the more I really liked it. I was like, that's such a good deal because you're saving yourself like $2,000 from the buying it in store. And the day that I ended up buying it, they were actually running a sale, so I saved myself like an extra $150. I'm so happy I did. The more that I saw reviews about this bag, and after seeing this bag in person, I'm very happy that I actually bought this pre-loved and did not buy it in a store, because if I had paid $5,000 for this after taxes, I would be pissed, because you can see how it does squish here because of the person who didn't have who didn't stuff it. You can see that there's corner wear here, and like I said, you can see that there are scratches on this gold shoulder part. These are all things that to me don't bother me because I knew that this was pre-loved, and because the seller did disclose all of these flaws and all these imperfections. And I really think that in order to see all that, you really have to look super closely at this bag. I also am a person that I wear my bags. I protect them and try to be careful with them, but I'm not going to baby them. If I buy a bag, I want to wear it, I want to use it, and wear and tear is just going to be very normal. But if I had paid $5,000 for this bag and saw all these imperfections, I would have been pissed. I'm assuming that that's why the seller got rid of it, which was great for me because I ended up saving over $2,000 for this bag, and now I have it in my collection. I'm so excited to have this and to start wearing it. All right, you guys, so that is it. That is what I got for my birthday. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if any of this stuff is on your wish list. If you have any of this stuff, I would love to chat with you in the comments. Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff's gonna be left down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay safe, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.